Good day, everyone. We are going to look at a process of adding a new department or project at the local church level. This process is quite simple and it will help you to be able to manage projects. So, in other words, every department that you create is an income and expense statement. So, for instance, if you wanted to do a new project like purchase of a piano in the church, you would want to open a new project for it so that as you receipt your income, you are able to attach and post this income into that new project. And this will form the income side of your statement. And then as you start expensing or using that money, you will be able then to also record it in the same department. And when you have an income and you have expenses, then you will automatically have a running balance. So if you have anything that will need tracking or reporting to the church or to the church board or to the church business meeting, I would advise that you create a department for it. So this is how you do it. You come and you click on departments over here, and you come and look for this sub-menu item, create edit treasury department. You click on that one, and if you don't know where to go, what do? You click on the green button. So you come over here. Don't mind the code. It auto increments. That means the computer is the one that sets it. So just leave it as it is. It should be able to do the next one sequentially. So under the church department, if it is a department that is not the formal department of the church, like the ones that are listed here, it is just a project, come and put it under treasury. Then when you are here, you type in the name of the project. So let's say, for instance, you are working on let's find a nice one, a bus. Okay, so we can say church bus project. All right, and then tick on approved and then click on save. So once this happens, this department has been added, and you'll now be able to use it for your transactions. If you don't want it to appear in the 7Me app, you also have to tick this little box that says hide in 7Me app. So if you come and search now and do a search, you'll find that your church bus project is now available. And as you do your income, which I can just show you so that you can see the result of what we have just done. I'll come and do a quick capture here. I'll say notate a member so that we are quickly. So if we press enter here, go to the category 55 is where you select which of the departments you want to link to this. So if you come over here, you'll now realize that your church bus project is now available for you to use. And as you receipt money to it, in this case, let's say it is 5,000 again, and you press enter, and then you close this batch, which I'm going to do now. Sorry about that. Let's go back and close the batch. Click on close and click on close over here. When this happens, if you go to your reports, I'm going to go to the departmental reports, departmental treasury reports, and come to the balances. And I'll do for May, from April to May. If I do this, we expect to see the new church department with 5,000 as their balance. So if we make this bigger so that you can see more fluently, as I normally say, you'll see here the church bus project is now listed here. The 5,000 that we received is a direct offering for the church bus, and you'll see at the end that is the closing balance that you currently have as well in that department. I hope this helps you to be able to see the process of creating a new department or a project in the ACMS. And if you go to expenses as well, let me just show you this as well. If you come to expenses, I'll do the quick expense so that we are able to quickly see. So I'll come under expenses and then come to quick expense. If you come and you select department, now you will see that the church bus project has a balance of 5,000. And if you, for instance, went and bought tires or transportation expenses, let's say you used, let's see what we could use here. Let's say travel, and then you pick, let's go pick up the month that we can use. 1st of May is a good one. Let's say we used 2,500 from there, where we did an other, we'll put a 0 here. So in this process, I'm just showing you how to reduce the balance of the church bus project, or let me just say bus here, or post an expense, and I'll say this money came from the registered cash account, and I say update. So you'll see now the bus project is now an expense that has been entered. And if I go back to my reports, and this time I go and print a statement for the bus. So if I come here, bus project, and I pick April there, I do a list, you will now see that the income of 5,000 that we captured is shown in this statement, and the 2,500 that we expensed is also there. So the balance of this project is now 2.5. So anything that will require a statement like this one, where you have income and expenses, it is wise for you to set it up as a department. If you don't set up as a department, all of your transactions will be posted normally into Treasury. And now when you are required to do this, you'll have to do an export to Excel and start calculating and adjusting, and that will take a lot of your time. So it is much more prudent for you to go this way, as it will save you a lot of time and will make your work a little bit more efficient. Thank you for watching.